Tide height calculation, practice problem 3. On 15 October 2023, you'll be docking at Money Point, VA. Here's the station number. At the first high tide, what time will you be docking? See illustration DO63NG. So here's illustration DO63NG. We're here, Money Point, VA, and it wants to know 15th, the 15th of October, first high tide. So down here, you see there's the 14th, but then here's the 15th on this bottom row. So 15 and first high. So the 15th, there's a low, there's the first high, says 9:25 is the first high tide. And our answers say B is 9:25. Let's take a look. 3 is B. Okay, there's 2 of these to do on your own, and then there will be one on the final exam. Good luck on these. You should be getting these right on the final exam.
If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider when getting your captain's license.